Hello crafters, Ashley Balicki here with Make It with Ashley. So today we have a fun fourth layout for the Sweet as Honey Scrapbooking Workshop. So you can see the base page, generally what you see right now, that is scraps from the scrapbooking workshop. I did add some additional black as my base page, okay? But otherwise, kind of what you see, that's what you get. Okay, now the additional embellishments that I am adding, that is going to be coming from two different places. So those flower pieces, those are the layered flower thin cut. And to go with this pattern and theme, I cut them in white, black, Sundance, that's that yellow color. And then I also cut there is the paper that has the newspaper kind of print on it. Okay. And then all of those hexagons and the honeycomb, that is actually from the Sweet as Honey card making workshop. Okay. Sorry about that lighting change there, ladies and gentlemen. Had to step away for a few hours before I could come back and play some more. So I just wanted to let you see my process. So I kind of figured out a base for my page first. That's kind of what I do. I went ahead and glued it down because I liked it. And now I tend to die cut way more than I need. Part of that is I have a toddler and he loves to help me die cut things. So we run through tons of things. That way I have plenty to play with. And then I start to move things around. Okay, I want to create those clusters. So right now I'm kind of building that cluster in the right-hand side. There wasn't enough in there. I had to add a few more pieces. And then I decided I need to work on my flow a little bit, all right, of drawing those eyes across the page and balancing everything out. So I do love my tweezers for doing this. And I kind of have a base for, all right, I like the way this is looking, so I'm going to start gluing everything down. And I feel like whenever I do that, it does change. A hint, once I have everything I like down on my page before I glue, I snap a picture with my phone so I have a reference. Because a lot of times I don't have anything glued down. I have to move everything off, and I start with like the base and photo mats and all that and build up. I'm also on the flowers, I am inking the edges of them as I build and stack those layers up, and that really helps add that nice dimension. And I'm doing some final tweaks, adjusting what side I want on these fun hexagons. I really liked these honeycomb look with the flowers. And I love flowers, but I have so many guys and men layouts. So I thought this was kind of fun. That Oh Honey with the honeycomb was perfect to bring in that feminine touch for these masculine photos. So don't be afraid to have some fun and use what you really want with your photos. And I had that title, Oh Honey. It was perfect for these photos. These are my brothers and my husband. Before I was even engaged to my husband, we did a family photo shoot as a surprise. So you just saw me, I use my acrylic block to help hold down some of my things when I'm using my liquid glue. Helps put a little bit of weight on it so it doesn't curl up, which sometimes happens. I am creating my layers. I'm adding my gold gems to this and kind of just finishing it off. I do like the clear sheets on the gems. You can see me kind of placing it and holding it up to see where I like. And overall, I love the way it looked. Great fun clusters. The hexagons were great. I love that those bee honeycomb chunks, you get all of the little hexagon pieces also. So order your workshop and craft along with me.